What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Josh White here, and you are watching another episode of the JDub Twins. So before we get started, I would just like to say a huge thank you to all the medical professionals, first responders, and just everyone out there providing those essential services for us on the front line against the coronavirus. So I told myself I wouldn't do it, but I just couldn't help myself, okay? I said I wouldn't touch my exhaust, but yes, I decided to chop the resonator off and get a Steeda H-Pipe. Why would I do that, right? That is a very good question. So here are some sound clips of the stock active exhaust as it compares to the active exhaust with the Steeda H-Pipe. So the video just doesn't do the exhaust any justice. I think the active exhaust with the Steeda H-Pipe sounds amazing. One of the things I was most worried about actually was by chopping off the resonator, I was worried that the exhaust would develop like kind of like a fart can raspiness sound to it. But in all actuality, that was further from what had happened. The H-Pipe gave the exhaust a nice deep tone, and also did increase the volume of the exhaust. So loudness, I know, is very subjective. So some people might think that the exhaust is loud, too loud. And then there's other people might say that, well, the exhaust isn't loud enough, let me throw on some freaking Flowmaster mufflers or just straight pipe it completely with no mufflers at all and think that that's enough loudness. But to me, with the H-Pipe, the exhaust inside the cabin is not overly loud, and what I mean by that is that there is no drone, okay? You can hear the increased volume of the exhaust, and when we accelerate, yes, it does get loud, but at no point do you hear like a drone reverberating through the cabin that, you know, kind of like giving you a headache. So if you're looking to increase the volume of your exhaust and you want your exhaust to retain that nice deep tone, then you should consider getting an H-Pipe. So that is all for this episode. Please, if you like what you're watching, subscribe to the channel and then also hit the bell so you can get notified of our latest videos, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.